Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting the change now? Make sure your iPhone 14 Pro Max is charged and updated because a software mismatch can halt enrollment. Open Settings, go to Face ID and Passcode, and enter your passcode. This authenticates the change. Once inside, choose Reset Face ID to wipe previous scans. This prevents conflicts and ensures a clean, accurate new enrollment. Make sure you're in good light and remove glasses or face coverings so the camera captures full facial geometry before you tap Set Up Face ID. Now you'll perform the actual scans. Hold the phone at eye level and position your face inside the oval. Tap Set Up Face ID and follow the on-screen circular motion. Perform 2 full scans, slowly turning your head to capture every angle so the depth map is complete. Once both scans finish, configure attention requirements and, if needed, add an alternate appearance. This helps with substantial changes like heavy facial hair or frequent eyewear. Make sure to test by locking and unlocking to validate the capture. Finish by testing Face ID across common uses. Unlock Apple Pay and app authentication to ensure accuracy. If something feels off, retry the enrollment. Restart your iPhone first, then perform scans in bright, even lighting and remove accessories that obscure features. Once done, check settings for Face ID options you may want to toggle. If enrollment repeatedly fails or Face ID behaves inconsistently, make sure iOS is up to date. If issues persist, contact Apple support because the true depth camera hardware or software may require expert attention.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.